Smart Kids Mastermind TV. Today we will learn animal sounds. Come and sing along with me. Clap your hands, get ready now. Lots of fun is on the way. Let's learn sounds from all our friends. Hip, 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 hooray. Co is this, soft and small, fluffy wool like a cotton ball. It's a sheep, sheep says. Is this feather bright, walking happy in the light? It's a hen, hen says. Oh, is this near the lake, waddling cute with splishy shake? It's a duck, duck says. Who is this big and strong, a mighty friend who walks along? It's a lion, lion says. Who is this big and blue, with a trunk that waves at you? It's an elephant, elephant says. Who is this soft and sweet, tiny paws and little feet? It's a cat, cat says. Who is this running fast, hooves that go clip clop past? It's a horse, horse says. Who is this, a friend for you? Listen close, you'll hear a clue. It's a dog, dog says. Who is this standing tall, eating grass and loving all? It's a cow, cow says. Who is this orange stripes, a jungle friend of many types? It's a tiger, tiger says. Who is this black and white, striped like magic, shining bright? It's a zebra, zebra says. Who is this tall and bright, spots that shine in golden light? It's a giraffe, giraffe says. Who is this colors glow, flying high with a happy show? It's a parrot, parrot says. Who is this green and small, jumping high and never fall? It's a frog, frog says. Who is this soft and round, eating bamboo without a sound? It's a panda, panda says. Who this jumping high, swinging branches in the sky? It's a monkey,
Monkey says.
Animal sounds, come along, sing with us the learning song.
Smart Kids Mastermind today. Hip, 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 hooray. Bye bye cuties, you did great. Learning sounds was really fun. We will meet again soon with more laughter, more and more fun. Please don't forget to share and like and subscribe before you go. Smart Kids Mastermind loves you all. See you soon. Bye bye cuties. Hello.